Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you the graphic user interface of our website, the Qrtt, or the quick response time attendance. So for the login page, you will see this. Okay, so to see the full functionality of this video or of this website, we will log in as admin. Sign in, and here you can see the different buttons in these graphs. Okay, we will cross that out for now. Okay, so in the register employee, this is where you register a new employee. Okay, for the employees, you can search your employees here. Alright, and the ID card, this is where you generate a new card, so we submit that, and this is where you see the generated QR code and your ID card. Okay, so going back in the salary, in the salary, basically this is where the admin or the manager or the accountant will record your salary. The manual attendance here, okay, you can set manually the time in and time out of an employee here. Okay, so we have 2 employees here. Alright, and the mark attendance, so the mark attendance, this is where you scan your QR code for you to time in and time out. Okay, so the employee visit and the attendance status. So I recorded this a while ago. Okay, so you can see here there is time in and out, and these 2 I haven't timed out yet, but okay. They're non-existent because I already delete them from the database, but that's just me and my partner. And the other one is my best friend. Okay. Okay, in the manage branch, so here in these tabs you can see the users, manage branch, preferences, employees, and reports. So the permission here, you can see the application modules and the application roles. So the administrator will be the one to grant an access for each roles. For example, an accountant, he can only access the attendance, salary, and the attendance sheet, but we can update that if we want them to access more functions in our website. Okay, in the role management here, you can add as many as you need. In the role management, you can add what they call this, a role for that specific employee. Okay. So for the demo, let's just delete one and add it again. Okay, so prof. Enable the status and add the role. If you want to edit that, you can also edit that. So edit role successful. Now you can see the updated user roles. Next is the defined roles. So here is where you set a specific role for the following employees. So for Kyle, we can make him as a professor. So that's his job or his role. Okay, that's updated. Okay. We can update that by deselecting and selecting another role and clicking this update user role. So next is the manage branch. Here you can add departments, different departments. I've already added departments here, so you can see here in the branch name or department. Basically, you will just fill this out and select the opening and closing time for your department or branch, and then add branch. Okay. So for the system settings, here in the system settings, this is where you edit your company name, your title, email, phone. These are the things that you will see here, the footer. Okay. You can also on and off the status of your the company that you want. Okay. So for the employees, we already discussed the following, except this one, the leave management. So when an employee wants to resign, this is where you select their status. Okay, so that's the function of this page. For the report, you will see attendance report and the attendance sheet. Okay, so this is the example for the attendance code of Diego for the attendance report. We've marked him as absent in the leave management, so you will see this one. And also when you have not timed in, you will also mark as absent. Okay. So for the user, for the user's page, we will sign this out. And we will select a user. I forgot their password, so let's just select one of these. Just copy and paste it. Right? Okay. So for the employee page, you will also see the employee who visited the company and his schedule or his attendance status. He can also print his card. Of course, he need to search his ID. And see his attendance report and the attendance sheet. Alright? So, a while ago, I've said that in the permissions, every employee has a restricted access to some of the functions of the website based on their role. So Diego is just an employee, so this is the only thing that he will see in his page when he logged in. Okay, so that's all for the GUI of our project. Thank you.